Hi, I'm Anastasia Eden from kindearth.net, and today in my kitchen I am making a fuss-free, very easy lentil soup, and I wanted to show you how easy it is to make, just to give you a bit of inspiration. The ingredients are very easy to get in any supermarket or health food shop. You probably already have them in your kitchen already, but if you don't, they're also quite tweakable as well, so you can swap them out. So if you haven't already, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and remember that I'm posting this recipe as a printout on my website, so please do follow that link, and let's go see how ridiculously easy this soup is to make. So you need a fairly big pan or pot for cooking this in. You can have one a little bit smaller than this, and you can increase the quantity, decrease the quantity, just use it for inspiration. So I'm going to add all the ingredients to the pot right from the start. So you can saute this or fry it ahead of time if you want to, but because I'm making a super easy soup and I just want that gentle, clean infusion of leek flavour in there, I'm actually not even going to saute it. I'm just going to put it in as it is. So I'm going to chop that up and pop it in. You just want to chop off the end bit. Right, this one's nice and cleaned and trimmed already. And then just sort of chop it up however you like, really. And if you would rather use onion, or you want to leave this out altogether, you could substitute with mushrooms or add garlic in. Do whatever takes your fancy. Pop it in your pan. And then I've got about 300 grams of carrots, organic carrots, so I'm not even going to peel the skin off. I want to cut them up into nice small pieces, basically so they cook really quickly. And then I've got half a kilo, 500 grams of organic sweet potato, but you want to just chop off any gnarly bits that you find in there, and they'll cook quite quickly. And if you would like to use all sweet potato or all carrot for this soup, then it works just as well. Or if you'd like to substitute for a different kind of vegetable, just pop it in and it'll work and have delicious results. So I want about 200 grams of red lentils. The reason I'm using red lentils is that they're super easy to cook and they go quite mushy within about 15 to 20 minutes. Pop them in. And then this is about 400 grams of chopped tomatoes, which you can get in a tin or a carton like this. I do usually use passata, but I haven't got any at the moment, so I'm using chopped tomatoes. They can just be tomato. It doesn't matter if they've got a bit of garlic in them or a bit of herbs in, as some that you might find in the shop do. And then I'm going to put some ginger, fresh ginger. Nothing beats the zing of fresh ginger, and it's very, very good for you. Then I'm going to grate in about this much, which is about, an inch or two of fresh ginger. So I've got a super fine microplane. Just watch your fingers when you do this. And if you have a really good grater, it's not going to take long at all. And this is nice organic. I'm a bit of a fan of organic food and leaving the skin on where possible, because you do have quite a bit of nutrients in there. There you go, so just give it a tap. A big twist of black pepper. A bit of ground coriander and some sea salt and water. And that's all you really need. We might add a little bit of coconut in for a little bit of je ne sais quoi. So as you see, we've pretty much got these ingredients very, very simple, very, very easy. You want your waterline to come up just below the veggies here, and then pop it on the heat. So you're going to cook this for about 25 minutes. Basically, once everything's cooked through and it'll start to weave and infuse together. Other things I might want to add in are a pinch of chili flakes or a teaspoon of smoked or sweet paprika. And if it gets too thick during the cooking process, you just want to add a little bit more water. You don't want to overdo it with the water, so you might have like a lush soup, or you might want more of a stew, which is like kind of a cross between a stew and a soup. So you make it whatever consistency you want. And remember that I've posted the recipe to print out on my website, so please do follow that link. So really, you don't have to do a whole lot with it. You can literally turn it on, bring it to the boil, turn it down and let it simmer for about 25 minutes, and then go back to it, have a little taste of the flavour. And then everything at that point will be soft and mushy. You can blend it if you want, you can half blend it, or you can just have it rustically as it is. Remember, you can add some fresh herbs to it, you can add some spinach to it, you can add a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Just use it for inspiration. And if you're happy with that, that is good to go. So thank you for tuning in. My name's Anastasia from kindearth.net. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest happenings and recipes. Please do click on the link and come back to my website to get the full printed recipe. I appreciate you being here, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.